Hi Cavalier family, I'd like to share with you another classic cocktail, the Tom Collins. This can be described as a spiked sparkling lemonade. To make a Tom Collins, you will need gin, fresh lemons, simple syrup, and soda water. You can garnish with a maraschino cherry and lemon if you wish. It's very easy to make. You'll start with your glass. Traditionally, a Tom Collins glass is more of a highball, but this is what I have and this is what we're going to use. Start by adding 2 ounces of gin. So 1 standard shot glass filled 2/3 full once, and then twice. Then we need 1 ounce of lemon juice, and that is the juice of 1 whole lemon. So 1/2. This is so summery and so bright and fresh and so classic. And then the second half, there we are. Simple syrup is 1/2 ounce, so we will fill this about halfway full. Simple syrup is once again just equal parts water and sugar. We give that a little stir and top with ice. I would recommend small cubes as opposed to 1 large cube because it is a sipping drink and it will evolve as the ice melts. Then we top with soda water. Nice and effervescent. I would like to garnish with a cherry. So these are traditional maraschino cherries. Something you can find similarly in the grocery stores today is the bada bing cherry. And we'll let that sit here. There you've got it. Enjoy. Cheers.